Mayor me Lira City Sam Atul otero tien loka momiogi okwanyo $1,834,000 amodongi wi project me USMID ototich kede ichielo kede deyo poro ameya akakapuru kede yoe amobale atek tutwal Lira City. Mena machela Atul otero ni chente me USMID ame wal bang enaye mioni chikere pe yene miruti kede puru yo maram eto miruti kakere egero yo lam amenu tie karechel kere jami dushu ye manuluo road furniture. Enda otero ni yore amo lobo menungu kampuni metishi kore project man tero kare amekano geno yero me puru yo nu kare metiche chende man dang nu ramo karo ko. Mena madeg enda ukohi komutela amo karo chon ni ubino kwanyo project me USMID udotero kana bo na hebondari road twal kana me kopa pol tie ye teme yo project man ridwera bongwen ame pot po chahere. Mena mangwen atulutir ni kanu miero ye gine meti kere chende mani kope yo numiero utigi ni kere kampuni ma Abubakar ento ticha jone dang tia wot godo tutwal. Gina chella me enotir ni dang nu abalo chawa gia tek tutwal kanu gino yero me tich kare chel kere chente ni ipuru yo nu beru kwanyo lain ne pi kere lain ne mach amenotir ni nu dang ateru chente kere chawa aduong tutwal.
And sometimes those who want to misguide the population are asking us, why choose this and not do the other one? For example, why choose beautification and not choose the road? And which type of road are we supposed to choose? If we are to choose roads according to this project, we cannot do a Maram road. Any road that we are choosing under USMID, World Bank funded, must be a standard bitumen road that has everything around it, the bitumen, the drainage, the light, name them. There's a language they normally use it for us. They call it road what? Road furniture.
Atulutir ni akare do gwal dang mor nyopedwa ete pi bea genge tich pi utedero mu yere pien idong gini kere mwaki amepe karario meti yutich amo yero gi iye.
Light.
Okanchila moga muloho kere cho amut ucha tek tutwal kitame yo apoli Lira City dia resho kede. Adoro choheme Lira City West Speaker Daniel Okello oternika do romo me otela me Lira City Council me chako yaro kana ler kitame gino tuti jini kede lima luak pien yo etia resho tutwala me penyuruni gino tuti yutich aber imampishi.
Wando okok do pikara lach gino tiati merepe fencing of the mayor's garden uneno ko takatahani ene nenu ko takatahani amount yake to kano tiuker shilling mi
eno mi apori kom kona kam deni road tutwale wok kana mu pimer kere school man new generation eno tir ni kodi yo tieni aman pol tutwale Lira City amedang romo kelo awano ikom otadero.
Lira City in darkness. Lira City taha nyoni yugi gashia tia duong kakano duch ameti kona me Lira City. Men amadek yo tia rach kano duch ameti di Lira City. Kun Germany dushu bedi budget. Etu chienne ni kanatia warrior is not known. Dongana tia kukuduru borwan dushu one onyuali me Lira City.
Ajo kanchila adaho amechungi utich Lira City Council. Sara Awor Angweri otirni chente $1,834,000 ame otia tich kede me chelo kede deyo Mayor's Garden ni numiero ti kede me yobu yoe amobale ratio apol woki.
Uko ni pemia document ngata mo chubo ni pemia document oberu Mayor Sam Atul gino queer patro amobero nga city speaker So kakita jotie tikerene, ngurni our roles as leaders has been compromised. Peti ginora me wana tutu yamate dero tena no bere motie. Million mia bor in peke beautification. While the roads are so bad. Abeo kede tiena iyo me woro bere center. You cannot pass. Uta there not raising complaint, but Johnny paying a deaf ear. What kind of nonsense is going within Lira City? Some of us are going to make individual sacrifices, even if it means laying down our own life. We shall lay our life for our people, because this is too much. You cannot accept this kind of nonsense. Go on.
Cho councilor da me chungi ki rombe ward I council me Lira City West division man Akello Lydia otirni chunyo binu chwe total menunguni chente amo dongi wi project me USMID amenu jotet yobukere yo area mere doko binu ti berere to bichako Chello kere deyo Mayor's Garden gun yo area mere tia ratio attack Michael.
Akello be beautifying kere Mayor's Garden. Uti kere you are pola ratio ameti yadiel. One uti kere chene me use road fund ajo to ala city. Kana chari peti you mara city puru kere chene me road fund. Ado kaunu city. Ite leadership mayor Atul Sam. Unu uti kere neno kere tamo pia tedero. Chene ni million mia bore pia ngwene nuja woketi yo. Komo te yiku yo edu tongi city kan yo ko bede bear. Ichani yo ti kor du kor yo ti pe lobere. Eto jo tuti uchene kano te Akello me beautifying Mayor's Garden.
Yo ame Lira City binu tishiye imwahale manti ye yo ame ti chuki bae yo ame ya akony kori worona hewankeo me Kola district yo ame ya shukula nai primary woro shukul King James Unapa Road Kola Road Okello Road monoti Lira City West eke Lira City East ye yo ayae adeho kwok woro alonga te wona hajia kede Korolero Road te ebira wona Hill City College anai agali te mogo kede yo amobale area me awangwia yoe magidushu binutero million mia bongwen ipiera boru ya ngwen tonere angwen alober kere mia halim me Lira City. Nyaberu Denish Ongora man news today ilau news channel Lira City.